Sallallahu Alaihiwasallam is an essential part of our Imaan. There can be no believer unless and until he loves Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihiwasallam more than what he loves his parents, his children and all the people of the world. Love for Rasulullah is because of Allah. He is Prophet of Allah, Messenger of Allah. Love for Rasulullah, love for his family, love for his companions, love for his wives, love for his teachings. Allah revealed his blessed and noble Quran upon Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihiwasallam. Allah blessed us with the best of everything. And the best of the Shara'i, the best of the months, the best of the prophets, the best of the qiblas, the best of the days, the best of the months, the best of the nights, the best of everything because of Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So the more we talk about Rasulullah, we get to know his noble and sublime personality, how noble and special the beloved Prophet of Allah was. It will naturally induce love for the beloved of